Hey folks, welcome to Module 2. In this module, our expert will be showing you how to design your landing page. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
So here we are, we're going to create our actual landing page. Now these are sometimes referred to as lead pages, landing pages, opt-in pages, sign-up pages, squeeze pages. They're called a whole lot of things. We're going to be using Instapage for this process, but the principles apply to any landing page software and the process will be more or less the same regardless of which one you choose. So we'll start by choosing a template. Your best bet is to keep things pretty minimalist as possible to encourage opt-ins. So we're looking for something with a headline, maybe a subheadline, and of course a form. That's pretty much it. Now this one down here with a picture of a house looks pretty good and it seems to fit our topic pretty well, which is home repair if you'll recall. Let's go with this one. So inside the editor here, I'm going to start by deleting all the extra parts that we don't need. Now let's get to work changing the copy. Let's say, finally master the art of DIY home improvement and repair. That sounds good to me. Let's move that up a little bit, and we're going to want some space to insert our e-cover from the previous lesson right below that. Once that e-cover is in there, we'll change the button text. I think get the guide should be good. And voila, that's pretty much it. Our page is looking pretty good. Before we finish though, we'll want to connect it to our autoresponder software so we can actually start building our email list. Once that's done, our page is ready to start handling some traffic, which is what we'll be covering in the next lesson.